How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another video. For this week's video, because it was so nice out, we decided to go out, find a beach, and make our very own Spikeball commercial. That's how it came out. Hope you guys like it, and let us know what you think. Alright guys, so that was our Spikeball commercial. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now basically all we're going to do is just show you guys how we actually made the video.
Alright guys, so we made it here to this tropical beach. Nice palm trees, nice tropical weather. We also just had some lunch, check it out. Come on, look.
Oh, I touched that.
So we're here. We kind of found this beach last minute, but I mean it's gonna work. There's no one around. It's really warm, like, okay, it's not warm, but it's not cold. So like it's nice enough to be in a t-shirt. It's warm for Canadians like me, purebred, unlike these two.
You were born here.
So yeah, so there's like some stairs over here, so we're gonna get our first shot here. Just me and Juan walking down the stairs, you know, getting ready to set up our spike ball. And yeah, we're gonna see how that turns out. Stay tuned, folks.
Alright, so now we're done with some shots, but the interesting stuff is about to begin. We're about to dive, and yeah, like hit the ball, diving. We might take a dip in the water. It's freezing cold, but we'll try. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Hopefully we can land safe.
Three, two, one, go. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh my God.
Oh, that's cool.
Feel good?
Oh, that's nice though.
Yeah, you feel nice.
Oh, I'm not even like shivering.
Really?
Go, man, we said at the same time. Or I'll splash when you go again.
No. Go, Juan. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Go, go.
He's so man. It's not that bad, yo.
Okay, now it's not bad.
Like, oh. But yeah, when you're in there,
When you're going down,
it stings.
Alright, so we just finished up all the diving shots and everything like that. Now, these kids just jumped in the water. I don't know why. I'm not stupid enough to do that. That's why I'm dry. So now we're just gonna take care of the drone. Again, I haven't been flying it too much, so hopefully we don't crash it like the last time. I don't even think I have that clip anymore, but anyways, yeah. We're just gonna get the drone shots and we should be good to go.
Alright guys, and that is the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, the behind the scenes as well as the actual video. If you guys want to follow us on Instagram, our Instagram is going to be right here. Be sure to follow us there, and as well as here on YouTube. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. It helps us out a lot, and we're trying to get our videos out to more people. So make sure to show it to some friends, family, you know, whatever it is, if you like it. So yeah, until next time, we'll see you guys next week with another video. Peace.